Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based business model where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. Essentially, you're the middle person connecting the customer to the product or service, and you get a piece of the profit pie for each successful sale. So, you see, affiliate marketing is all about earning a profit by promoting other people's products. Think about the last time you recommended a favorite restaurant to a friend. Now, imagine if you got paid for that recommendation. That's the basic idea behind affiliate marketing. It's a win-win scenario where businesses reward individuals for every customer brought in by the individual's marketing efforts. Let's dive into some real-world examples. Consider a lifestyle blogger who shares a link to a trendy clothing brand they love. Each time a reader clicks on that link and makes a purchase, the blogger earns a commission. Or think about a tech guru who reviews the latest gadgets. They may include an affiliate link to the product's website and earn a slice of the profit for every sale made through their unique link. Influencers on social media platforms also utilize this model. They promote products, services, or even events and earn a commission based on the sales generated from their followers' purchases. From recommending a book on Amazon to promoting a new skincare line on your blog, affiliate marketing is everywhere. So what have we learned about affiliate marketing today? Well, it's a viable way to earn income by promoting other people's products. It's not just a theory, but a common strategy used by many online businesses. It's a way to monetize your digital presence without creating your own product. Remember, with affiliate marketing, you can earn while you sleep. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategy, it can become a profitable side income. That's all for today's video on affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching, and remember, the potential of affiliate marketing is only limited by your imagination.
Unveiling.